Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. My name is Mustafa Chan. I am the Managing Director of Mohd Chan Group Berhad. This award is humbling milestone for us. It's recognized not just our food, but the heart behind our work. The niyat, intention, the discipline, and the years of istimah in serving halal with integrity and sincerity. For our team, this is more than just an achievement. It's a reminder that every effort we make, from the kitchen to the cashier, matter. It reflects our journey from a humble family restaurant into a recognized halal brand that represents the values of Islam in a modern, multicultural world. It also motivates us to go further, to improve, to innovate, and to continue setting a high standard of Muslim-friendly dining. Alhamdulillah, we see this award as both an honor and amanah to serve even better.
On behalf of Mohd Chan Group, I want to express our heartfelt thanks to this award. We are honored to be recognized as a Muslim-friendly restaurant chain of the year. This moment means a lot to us, not because we seek attention, but because it reflects the years of dedication, discipline, and sincere effort behind the scenes.